In this garden, we decided to make a mini pond, which is a great thing to do for wildlife in your garden. Especially if you don't have room for a full size pond, this still packs a punch in terms of having loads of wildlife value. In this case, we had a wonderful Belfast sink to use, but you can use any watertight container. Just make sure you dig down the depth of the container, and here we use the material to build a little stumpery behind the pond. In this case, we did use a pond liner. This was just to make sure that the container was watertight, because it would have been a hell of a job to get it back out again. In this case, we actually got it from the classic middle of aisle of Aldi or Lidl, but you can get it from any garden centre or look online for pond liners. A mini pond's really one of the best things you can do for wildlife in your garden, and it's really exciting to watch the wildlife move in. And it does so quickly. A lot of insects need water to complete their life cycle. Mammals and birds and all sorts will drink from the pond and use it as a source of water. So it's really important, especially for example in this garden where there wasn't already a water source. So yeah, it's a great thing to do and it's really easy. Here we are just filling in the edges, tucking in the liner and filling in the edges. But we also created a hoverfly lagoon. So this is just creating more little niches. This is actually an idea from Dave Goulson's book, The Insect Apocalypse. And hoverflies love these sort of grassy, stagnant pools of water to lay their eggs in. And you'll get huge diversity of life just by creating all these little niches for the insects, which the birds will then eat, of course. Here we are creating the benthic zone, which is a name for a bottom of a stream or a pond or a lake, and it's really important for insects such as caddisfly, which will live in this area. We then added water. This is rainwater, not chlorinated tap water. You want rainwater, which is better for the life in your pond. And we then planted around with wildflowers around the pond and aquatic plants inside the pond, which will help add wildlife value and oxygenate the water.